them a round of applause pa. Okay, for the kids po na nandyan, please po, don't occupy that po. Okay, for the next dance po, ang gagahin naman po nilang movement is a monkey. This dance po, ang next dance po is the monkey dance or the hunting dance. This dance po, they are imitating the movement of a monkey because for the Aitas, there are no such animals here in the forest can match the ability of a monkey in terms of hunting and foraging. For some reason po, this dance po is a play or a pastime for the younger Aitas while the elder Aitas are out to hunt or to gather food in the forest. Okay? Next dance will be the monkey dance or the hunting dance. Again, they are imitating the movement of a monkey. That's it for the monkey dance. Okay, let's give him a round of applause again. And for the last dance po, this dance naman po, ritual na po para sa kanila. Ritual na po. They are performing this dance po to ask guidance from their God, Apong Malyari, to have a victorious or peaceful war against the other tribe. Okay? For the last dance will be the war dance or the Binabayani dance. Again, war dance or the Binabayani dance. Okay, ingat po tayo. Magtatago na po ako. Mamaya po
main kulaw ay pa.
Ititira po nila yan.
Kamat kulaw. Kulaw.
Magtatago na ako.
Main kulaw. Tatampoy na. Main kulaw. Malibak na kamahit. Makakaw na inak. Ilan na kamahit. Kahebe.
That's it po. Let's give them a round of applause. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Okay po. Baka po my group po, April group po. Sorry po, hindi na po tayo magpipicture po sa kanila. Baka po kasi abutan